Hare Krishna. Everything will of God. So that can be belief those who are bhakta of God, those who are Saranagati people. So how it can be possible? There is a one story. One king, and he has got one minister. So then minister is the devotee of God. And but king is not that much devotee, but he is so much affectionate and very close to his minister. Whenever he is going here and there with minister, and whenever anything is going to happen, he take advice and take idea from minister. So one day what happened, there is a king with his minister. He went to a forest for some hunting or some other things. Then somehow something has happened to the king. From the horse he is falling down. And while he is falling down, something has got injured. Some injured. Then behind minister is there. Oh my God, it is everything we have got. Then king is said, what this minister is telling is will God, I have fall down, I got injured, blood is coming. But he is telling will of God. Why he is telling like this? His insight is not telling him, and his mentally was not satisfaction with his minister. Then he is going and here there. Sundays, finally they have gone some places, and there is they have found one in forest some oil. So it had no water. So both minister and king was going there, and inside the king he was that why that minister has said like this, it will of God, whatever it has happened will of God. So and this man push him, and this then minister is fall down. When minister is fall down and from the top, and his king said, what minister, what you are now feeling? Are you happy now? It also will of God? And then king said, this minister said, yes, I am okay. It is also will of God. Then okay, if it is will of God, we will be there. And I am going. So that what happened, this man king is going here and there, going here and there. And what is called that minister is there in the oil. Then what had happened? Suddenly in same forest, some goshti, a group of the dacoit, they wandering here and there. And finally, that the dacoit group, they have promised to give to the Naravali, to that goddess Kali. And for them, they are searching here and there, here and there. And finally, they have found the king. When they have found king, then catch him, and completely they have taken to the their leader, and his king is very happy, and okay. Then everything they have make arrangement, everything they have make arrangement, so that is taking, giving bath, giving new cloth, and uttering some mantra and other things. And when is particularly going to take him in the font of a deity and goddess Kali and make ready, and then they have found he has got some injury. So some finger has cut at something, and immediately, this how it can be possible? This is angahani. That means yes, not complete. Is some it is there, so it won't be accepted, and that is mother it won't be accepted. You have to give complete, full and full. So it is something. So he has throw him out, and then this man is understanding. Oh, that whatever that minister said, that is absolutely correct. Then he is again he is going there, and he is going there, and he immediately has helped him and take him out, and said, oh, whatever you said, that is absolutely correct. Then absolutely correct. Suppose if it is not happened, then today my life will be going to finish. And then king said, okay, I have accepted. I have accepted this, that it is will of God. And suppose my finger is okay, mean my life has gone. So because of my finger has no cut and some injury, I have sick. And what about you? It is also will of God. Well, yes, this also will of God. Well, how? So you see, I am the minister of you. Always I am accompany with you. And wherever you are going, taking me, you take me with you. Suppose you have not pushed me on the oil, definitely I will be with you. Okay. When I will be with you, then because of finger we have escaped your life. But I am okay. They have given to take my life. So in this way you see, and it is also will of God. It is also God has saved me. Similarly, the whatever is happened in this world, whatever is going to happen in this world, those who are good person, those who are God believer, those who are surrender, those who are good person, everything they will be take in the will of God. And absolutely it is correct. Everything, we can't do anything, even NC, but everything will of God. Therefore, we should be understand. We shouldn't be realize. So whatever is going to happen in this world, it is will of God.